How to change GPS location on iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change GPS location on iPhone. First, go to Settings from the home screen. Then, tap on General. After this, you need to select Language and Region. Scroll down and select Region. From the page that opens, select the region that you want to change. Here, you need to confirm your selection. After doing so, open Web Browser. From here, you need to open NordVPN. So this is the way to change the GPS location on your iPhone. Alternatively, one of the best ways to change your location on your phone or computer is to use a good VPN. They are reliable and will make any website, app, or person think you're in a different location. We highly recommend NordVPN. We have left a link in the video description if you would like to check them out. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.